On to the next pair of shoes. I finally got them, and I couldn't care less.
Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing, maybe even the same day for you. Here we have the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, and there are a bunch of better videos about these shoes, and they are sort of old now. So if you care to hear my story and what I think about them, stay tuned. And by the way, I have like 4,000 subscribers or something. My videos get like 100 views, and out of those views, 1%, literally 1% are subscribers. I don't get that at all. So these shoes, the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, I got some things to say about them. I don't care at all that I have them. And that sounds really weird because I've been wanting them for at least 10 years, at least. And it feels kind of weird. So let me explain. In 2006, they released, and this is sort of a myth thing as well. People think that they released together with the Lightning, Thunder and Lightning. But that is not correct. They were released the same time, but not as a package. And when they were released, they were special. They were Jumpman 23, the forum exclusive, and here in Sweden, I think only Sneakers and Stuff got them. A special shoe that were expensive, really expensive. They probably cost as much as they cost today, but back then it was a bit much. And once again, the high price was not because it was a package, it was because these came with an ugly jacket, no, a sweatshirt. Let me see now. The Lightning came with an ugly jacket, and the Thunder came with an ugly sweatshirt. And that was the package. You could not only buy the shoes. So with the shoes, you got this ugly shirt, sweatshirt that I don't quite remember what it looked like, but I'm pretty sure that it did not match the shoes. So there were nothing at all about that I wanted. But the yellow ones, I've always liked them. But in 2006, I didn't care. Too much money, ugly jacket, ugly sweatshirt. 2012, they both got released again. I'm pretty sure they both got released in 2012. Yeah, so let's say that they did. And yeah, during those years, I've been liking them more and more, but I couldn't get my hands on the Yellow Lightning. So I didn't care about these because if I'm going to buy these, then I absolutely want the Yellow Lightning. And these even ended up being on sale. The quality is, I wouldn't say crap, but these will not be comfortable, but I will get to that. So in 2012 they got released again, I'm pretty sure with the Yellow Lightning. But anyway, I didn't get the Yellow Lightning then, so I didn't want to buy these because for me Thunder Lightning is supposed to be a package. They ended up being on sale. I still didn't buy them, but afterwards I regretted that. I don't like black shoes, but black and yellow, come on, is Wu-Tang Clan. So, and they look sort of cool. They do. I saw Swedish rapper Petter wearing them on stage. So yeah, they look cool on foot. But I didn't have the Yellow Lightning, and the Yellow Lightning were much more expensive than these when it came to resale back then. And then 2020, 2019, 2020, I think, these got released. These are amazing. I absolutely love them. These are really good. Too bad that they are very expensive now, because a bunch of my friends' kids want them, and the resale money for these now are too much. But now, since I have the Yellow Lightning, then I can buy the Thunders. And now, 3 years later, I got them. After them, 3 years after that. But I've been sort of wanting them since 2006. And I regret not buying them in 2012. And now, since 3-4 years, wherever I've had the Lightning, I've been wanting them. But if I would not have got them, I wouldn't care. I have problem with finding space for my shoes. I don't like black shoes. I think that Air Jordan 4 are uncomfortable, and I absolutely think that they are comfortable now when I have the SB Jordan 4. Why are not all Air Jordan 4s like the SB? The SB is amazing, great, comfortable at least. The worst pair of Air Jordan 4 I have are the Breads. And I get so much hate for saying that, because people love the Breads. I don't even think I have them up here anymore. But I do have them somewhere. And I feel that this nubuck, I wouldn't even call it that, are just the same. Just the same. So these will be uncomfortable. I'm gonna put them on, of course, because you are curious about sizing. But once again, there are a bunch of other videos much better than this one. Yes, I dislike black shoes, but if they are really black, like these are, then it's cool. Black shoes usually get that pale look, like black Air Force One. If you clean them once, the sole will look like gray, and yeah. But this, it's not suede. I wouldn't even call it nubuck. I don't remember what Nike called it themselves. But they are really black. And of course, the yellow is super cool. Black and yellow, come on, Wu-Tang Clan. These are, I'm guessing, kind of OG to the 2006. The 2012, if I remember correctly, they were kind of bad. Everything was bad from Jordan back then. A couple of years there, between, let's say, 2010 and 2014, everything was bad. But I would like to have a yellow Jumpman. But this is the right. This is correct. This is the OG of the retro. And not to say anything wrong, this is not an OG, because this is not a shoe that Michael Jordan played in. It's not the original release, because then we would have the Nike Air on it. So this is, if I remember correctly, let me see now. This was one of the first pairs of Air Jordan 4 with the Jumpman. Which was the first pair of Air Jordan 4 with the Jumpman? I think it was these. Somebody knows that better than me, remembers better than me at least. But these are correct. They look cool, they absolutely do. Just me that think that black shoes are boring. And the quality is, it's okay, it's okay. Nothing special at all. And now when they showed us how good they can make a pair of Air Force One, Air Jordan 4 with the SB, then we all think, why don't they do all the Air Jordan 4s like that? Because the Air Jordan 4 is a super hyped shoe now. It hasn't always been like that, so don't try to fool me. It's a super hyped shoe now. Just make them comfortable. The SBs are wonderful. These, I will put them on, of course, to show you, but I know that they are not comfortable. And I will wear them once to take an Instagram picture, and I will never wear them again. But now I have them, and I have to remove a bunch of things to have them side by side with the Lightning. And during the years, I've been thinking, can I wear one yellow, one black? But no, because this is yellow and gray, not yellow and black. If that makes any sense, it's still silly to wear one yellow shoe and one black shoe. These are great. These are absolutely great. And then we have another thing that people say that I think is wrong. The Red Thunders. Just call them something else. I myself have never seen a Red Lightning or Thunder. But Thunder is so the Lightning is the yellow. You see the lightning and you hear the thunder. Isn't that the right way to say it? But the red ones, black and red are absolutely cool as well, but I didn't care about them at all. And I hear a lot of complaints about those shoes. These look good, but won't be comfortable. And let's put it on and see how much I'm gonna hate them. You know what? They are actually not as comfortable or uncomfortable as the Breds. I would absolutely not call them comfortable, absolutely not. But they are not as bad as expected. And they do look better on foot, just as I remembered. So now I'm happy again. Still, I wouldn't be too sad if I didn't have them. But they are not bad. They are not. I would absolutely not call them comfortable, but they are not uncomfortable. They are like your standard Air Jordan 4. Yeah, that is a good thing to say. They are like your standard Air Jordan 4. Standard with sizing and everything. Kind of cool. So I'm a little bit more positive now. What do you think about them? Do you have them yourself? What do you think about them? Thanks for watching. Now on to the next shoes.